Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Discord not opening on PC. You will right-click on the Start menu to access the Task Manager. Here, select the Discord process and then click on the button End Task to end the process. After this, access settings from Start. You will go to Apps and then to Installed Apps. Search for Discord, click on the three dots and then choose Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and wait for the application to be uninstalled from the system. When finished, in the search box, enter the command %appdata %. Open the folder. Select the Discord folder and click on Delete to delete it. Finally, you will go to the link that we left you in the description of the video. Click on Download for Windows. Once the download is complete, click on the file. It will wait for Discord to be installed on the system, and with this you can check that it opens without errors on your PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.